What's one daily habit that keeps you comfortable, even under the pressure of the crown?
I always make sure to have my daily dose of Nestea Cleanse because with ingredients like cucumber extract, it makes sure that I hit my fiber goals and stay focused on clinching the crown and solving my lifelong goal of world peace. And I thank you.
Hi, I'm Bea Milian Windorski, Miss Universe Philippines 2026, and I'm so excited for our Victory Press Conference at the City of Dreams, Manila. Ingat po kayo!
So mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood yung video na kung saan ay endorser na itong si Bea Milian Windorski dito sa product ng Nestea at yung Pantene na ating na-report doon sa ating mga naunang video nitong mga nakarang araw. At dahil araw-araw nga po tayo nagbibigay ng update kay Bea from time to time. Pantene. Bea is a prominent brand ambassador for Pantene, often featured in promotional materials for the Pantene Miracles line, specific products she endorses. Nestea, as part of the Miss Universe Philippines organization's partnership with Nestea as their official beverage partner, Bea represents the brand's wellness-focused products. Beyond these brands, Bea has also been associated with other beauty and lifestyle names such as Ever Bilena, Glutathione Serum, and Great Lengths Eye Color Plus. So ito yung ambassador itong si Bea sa mga products na nabanggit. So yun mga kapolitika ang latest dito kay Bea Milian. At dito naman po sa issue kay Arnold Vigafria, dahil nga na-report natin na si Arnold Vigafria ay hindi na yung franchise holder ng Miss Grand Philippines. At ngayon ang maugong ay si Jojo Bargais daw po yung magkuha ng franchise dito sa Miss Grand Philippines. So ang plano pala ni ALV mga kapolitika ay magkaroon ng sariling pageant base dito sa Pilipinas. So ang pinaka-latest dito sabi ng Pageantry International, as I've said, after delivering 2 queens from the Philippines, it's about time that we create our own international pageant. So I had to choose, maybe if MJ will give it to Jojo or to anybody they're willing to accept for Miss Grand. I'm open if they want to give it to others because my plan is to establish our own pageant coming from the Philippines. Vietnam is very successful, Thailand is very successful, and when it comes to the pageant industry, the Philippines is one of the biggest and most powerful countries in the field of pageantry. So why don't we have one from the Philippines that can stage and create our own international pageant? Right now, we only have one, which is Miss Earth. So this time, it's about time to have another one, bigger and better. And one of my objectives is for it to be partnered with Viva Group of Companies. So ito yung sinabi ni-report dito ng Pageantry International or yung TPP. At ang sabi nila mga kapolitika ay baka mag-create daw sila ng kanilang sarili nating pageant dito. Pero yung nakikita ko dito na hindrance is kinakailangan na i-level natin yung mga effects, yung production doon sa level ng Miss Cosmo at itong Miss Grand International. So ito yung sinasabi natin mga kapolitika kasi 'di ba yung Miss Earth is laging binabash dahil nga doon sa makalumang production pa rin nila kahit yung ibang mga beauty pageant, maraming kasing mga pageant ngayon ang susulputan na mga bago pero pasabog yung kailang production. So inaabangan siya ng mga pageant supporters. Pero itong Miss Earth mga kapolitika ay wala silang pakialam kung mabash man sila sa kanilang production, low production. Kasi nakatuon sila, nakafocus sila dito sa advocacy. So apparently is kinakailangan na merong mag-rise na isa na at least is ma-level natin yung production doon sa Cosmo or sa MGI. So ito yung challenge ngayon doon sa mga gustong bumuo ng beauty pageant na nakabase sa Pilipinas. Kasi magkakaroon yan ng comparison doon sa mga pageant na for example lang dito sa Cosmo, dito sa MGI, sa Miss Universe. So magkakaroon yan ng comparison. At alam naman natin na hindi ganun basta-basta mag-create ng isang world-class na beauty pageant. Kailangan talaga yan ng malaking budget. Okay? So, yun mga kapolitika ang pinaka-latest ngayon. So, dito naman po tayo sa Miss Grand International dahil pupunta po si Emma Tiglao dito sa India sa May 9 to 14. At di ba sinabi noon na baka sa India gaganapin ang Miss Grand International 2026. So, the journey continues as Mr. Nawat and Queen Emma arrive in India from May 9 to 14. See you at the grand final of Miss Grand India 2026 on 12 of May for an unforgettable celebration of beauty and grandeur. So, pupunta ng India itong si Emma Tiglao. At doon naman po pala sa mga minor crowns sa Miss Universe Philippines ay nakahanda na po pala yung mga sash na gagamitin according dito sa post sa social media. Ay nakahanda na po yung sash at malalaman natin sa mga susunod na araw kung sino-sino yung bibigyan ng titulo dito sa mga minor crowns. At least makakompete sa ibang bansa. Pero ang pinaka-promising talaga dito mga kapolitika, I believe itong Miss Cosmo na kung saan ay maganda yung accommodation sa kanila. Okay? At in fact ngayon ay marami yung mga nag-aspire na sila yung makakuha ng Miss Cosmo dahil maganda yung treatment at yung accommodation doon sa Vietnam. So yun mga kapolitika ang ating pinaka-latest na update dito sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Ano po ang inyong mag-reaction dito na mawawala na di umano kay Arnold Vigafria ang franchise ng Miss Grand Philippines? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Hi, congratulations sa partnership. Question ko po kay ALB. Hello po. Follow up ko lang po dun sa question si MJ regarding sa MGA. Marami kasi mga pageant fans na isa ka sa mga tinitignan nila regarding sa pageant because of the titles na meron ka sa ALB Pageant Circle. Mainit recently yung meeting ni Nawat and Jojo Bragaris. Is it true po ba na sa inyo pa rin po ba ang MGI Philippines franchise?
As I've said, after delivering two queens from the Philippines, it's about time naman that I can create our own international pageant. So I have to choose. Maybe if MGI will give it to Jojo or to anybody that they're willing to accept Miss Grand, I'm open if they want to give it to others because my plan is to put up our own na galing naman sa Philippines because Vietnam is very successful, Thailand is very successful. So with regards to the pageant industry, Philippines is one of the biggest, most powerhouse in the field of pageantry. So why don't we have one from the Philippines who have to stage and create our own pageant? Like we only have one, which is Miss Earth. So this time, it's about time to have another one, which is a bigger and better pageant, which one of my purpose, also my objective, is to be partnered with Viva Group of Companies.
Pero yung relationship with Nawat and MGA Group, okay pa rin po?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Of course. We have MGI.
Yeah.
MGI representative.
Yes.
No, we're friends. No problem. I don't want to create any, enemies or bad with other. I have always have a good relationship to other international directors or international pageant.
Sundot ko na rin po, paano po yung naging selection ng girls na nandito po sa